Have you ever dreamed of speaking English but felt scared to open your mouth? Right now, imagine your first English sentence coming out of your own lips. Do you feel that small fire inside? That is the beginning of change. Tell me in the comments, do you want to speak your first English sentence today? I remember the day I spoke my first sentence in English. My hands were shaking. My voice was soft. But in that moment, something woke up inside me. I want you to feel the same. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to begin. If I could do it, you can do it too. First, I stopped thinking in my own language. I looked at a cup in my hand and said in my head, cup. I looked at my friend and thought, friend. This is how you start. Don't translate. Don't wait. Just name the things around you in English. It is simple. It is powerful. Try it now. Look around your room. Say one word in English. You are already beginning. Then I joined my words into a small thought. I told myself, I have a cup. I said it quietly. I said it again. This was my first small English thought. I was thinking in English before speaking. You can do the same. Pick 2 or 3 words. Make a small idea. Whisper it to yourself. Feel it in your mouth. Feel it in your mind. This is the secret. When the moment came to speak, I was ready. My heart was still fast, but my brain was calm because I had practiced thinking in English. I smiled at my teacher and said, I have a pen. It was short, it was simple, but it was mine. I spoke my first sentence. The world didn't explode. Nobody laughed. Instead, I felt free. You can make this your moment too. Right after watching this video, pick one object. Think of one short sentence. Say it in English to yourself. Then say it to another person if you can. It doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to be honest. This is how you will grow. Every time you speak, your fear gets smaller. Every time you think in English, your voice gets stronger. Do you feel nervous? Good. That means you care. That means you are alive. That means you are ready. I believe in you. You are not just learning English, you are learning courage. Now it's your turn. What will be your first sentence in English today? Comment below with your sentence. Like this video if it gave you hope. Follow for more powerful English lessons and motivational stories. Together, we will grow. Together, we will speak. Your first sentence in English starts now. I'll see you in the next video.